Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock mystery gifts in Pokémon Legends ZA. Alright, let's begin. Pokémon Legends ZA is finally available, and you can already unlock several mystery gifts early in the game. First, play until you meet Professor Mabel and unlock her quests. Once this is done, the mystery gift option becomes available directly in your menu. Open it to view all currently available rewards. Right now, the rewards include a Ralts holding a Gardevoir, the Holo X and Holo Y outfits, the Trench Coat outfit, and a set of Johto Pokeballs. To receive Ralts, open Mystery Gift and select Receive from Wi-Fi. This Ralt starts with strong same-type attack bonus moves, making it very useful in the early game. To unlock the Trench Coat outfit, you must enter a code provided by a participating retailer as a pre-order bonus. For the Holo X and Holo Y outfits, purchase the Mega Dimension downloadable content, and the outfits will unlock automatically. The Johto Pokeballs also require the downloadable content, and Nintendo will email you a code, although the quantity received is lower than initially advertised. So that's basically how you can unlock mystery gifts in Pokémon Legends ZA. That's it for this video. Thanks.